Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel BTK. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do that and also click the bell button so that you get the updates or notification whenever I upload my videos so that you can watch. Let's get into the video.
So today's video is about how to make a cake. So today I'm making cake with biscuits. So we can take different types of biscuit, not only a particular biscuit. Yeah, whatever you like, you can take. So I'm taking a marigold biscuit, happy and crackjack biscuits. Add into the mixie jar and grind it. You can grind it by making into 2 batches so that it can grind easily. Okay, so now let's grind it. So I have grind it. Grind until it will become a fine powder. Next we can add the milk, a glass of milk. Mix it. Half teaspoon of baking soda. Half cup of milk. Add and mix all together. Without any lumps, you should mix. I have mixed at least half an hour so that the batter becomes smooth and our cake will be also smooth and spongy. So mix well. So now our batter is ready. This is how the consistency of the batter should be. Take the baking plate, add ghee and spread over the bowl. Pour the batter into the bowl. First add a little bit of batter to the bowl, then spread in the same level. After that add a chocolate. I'm using a dairy milk chocolate here. Keep wherever you want. Don't keep near the edges because when the chocolate melts, it comes out of the cake and makes messy. So add chocolate. The middle layer is full of chocolate. You can add the remaining batter on it. Now I'm going to add the remaining batter on the chocolate. Spread eventually. in the oven. I forgot to shoot. So at 180 degree I have kept for 15 minutes. Now I have took the cake. This is how the upper portion looks. Now just so a spongy and delicious cake